So this is how you can fix the Roblox two-step verification not sending. Let's go on ahead and open Roblox and then go to more at the bottom right. Now go to settings and then tap on security. As you can see, I don't have two-step verification right now for safety reasons, but I will walk you through on how to fix not getting the code for the verification. The main reason that most people are facing this is because that they're using the wrong email. So for example, if you have email number 1 used in your Roblox account, and obviously you set up two-step verification, but you're checking the wrong email for the code, then of course it's not going to send there because that is the second email or that is the wrong email. You're going to want to use the same email that you used in your Roblox account in order to get the code. If you don't know your email, you could always go to account info under security and it's going to show you the first letter of your email address. As you can see, it's right there, u at gmail.com. That should give you a little bit of a hint to where your email is or what it is. Now, if you're sure that it's not working, that you're using the right email, you could always just exit out of Roblox and then try again or tap on resend code. But if that still didn't work, you could always delete Roblox and then reinstall it and then try it again. I'm sure it will work that time. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.